shall look at indices. Indices, as it were, is a very common aspect of mathematics, but it's also rudimentary in all algebraic application, and in fact in some trigonometrical advanced application too. So this is the basis of mathematics, both in formal mathematics and ordinary mathematics. Let us see some simple laws of indices. For example, one, the first law, because mathematics is guided by law, is if you have x raised to the power a multiplied by x raised to the power b, it is going to give you x raised to the power a plus b. Another name for indices is exponential function or power function. Power meaning raised to power, a concept. Now, another law 2, which is also fundamental, is x raised to the power a divided by x raised to the power b is equal to x raised to the power a minus b. Because if you divide, you subtract the powers, the exponential values, you subtract them. And that is why here is x raised to the power a divided by x raised to the power b is equal to x raised to the power a minus b. Now, subsequent laws of indices are x raised to the power minus a is equal to reciprocal of x raised to the power a. These are referred to as reciprocal laws. Furthermore, concept 4, based on the law 2, x raised to the power a over b by laws of indices is also equal to the b root of x or raised to the power a. These are related formulas that can be used to solve problems in indices. Question 1. You could be told to evaluate or simplify 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by 2. If we are to solve the solution to this, is to pick one of the bases as the law reflects here in concept 1, is to pick 2. Then the power values, the exponential values you add them. This will be 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power minus 2 times 2 raised to the power 1. Remember that this 2 means 2 raised to the power 1. And that finally gives us 2 raised to the power 3. Since you are multiplying, you have plus bracket minus 2 plus 1. Because this is minus 2. This minus 2 is added to plus minus plus 1. So this gives us 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 plus 1. Why? Because at the end of the day, this will now give us 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 plus 1. And that gives you 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1, which is 2 raised to the power 0. And this is going to give us 1. In mathematics, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. And that is it. This is a typical example of indices problem. Question 2 in indices. If we have simplified 2, we simplify. Now, 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2. If we are to simplify this, solution to the above gives us 3 raised to the power 4 minus 2. Because from the laws of indices, we know that whenever we divide, if we have x raised to the power a divided by x raised to the power b, it becomes x raised to the power a minus b. So whenever we divide, we subtract the exponents. These are called exponents, the power value, and these are the base values. So this gives you 3 raised to the power 4 plus 2, and that amounts to 3 raised to the power 6. And this means 3 times 3 times 3 in 6 places to get the actual value. Furthermore, in another view of this, you could be given simplify, write in simple form, that's simplifying, 2 raised to the power 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. For example, that it is exponential of the fractional value does not mean. It still follows the same methodology, and this is going to give you 2 raised to the power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Because as you multiply, you are adding the powers, which are the exponent. And that gives us the LCM is 3, and 2. For LCM of 3 and 2, what is the LCM between 3 and 2? It is 6. So it will be 2 raised to power 6 as base. 3 into 6 gives us 2. Multiply 2 gives us 4. Plus 2 into 6 gives us 3. Multiply 1 gives us 3. So because 2 into 6 is 3. Multiply 1. So we now have final value as 2 raised to power 7 over 6. Very simple. So that is the answer for that. Take note, it is quite fundamental to simplify concepts in indicial expression. So furthermore, we could relate this to concept 3. And that concept 3 is as simple as simplify 4 raised to power minus 1 over 2. And that gives us 4 raised to power, that's 1 over 4 raised to power half. And that gives us 1 over root of 4. And that gives us 1 over 2. For square root means raised to power half means square root.